We have already seen error handling and custom exception handling. Let's see the working of the code now. To understand the execution more better, I'm using breakpoint for execution. That too from the very beginning, the first line of execution. Now you can see that the code is going to execute step by step. So it creates a list and we're going to call the add product. It's going to make a new product, and the new product is going to get added to the list. To do that, it's going to take the details from the user. I hope you remember that we entered the product name. So here we are going to take the product name, for example, just ABC right here. And then it's going to ask for the quantity. Now, right here is where we did the error handling. So it is going to take the input from the console and try to parse it to integer. So the quantity, let's make it 12. So if it's successful in parsing, then it'll parse and put it in the out parameter. If not, then it's going to put the base value into the out parameter. Out parameter of a method is used to send data back to the calling code apart from the return. So my try parse has Boolean as return and has an out parameter to send the data. Now we have assigned it to the quantity, which is the property of the current object. Now we are going to pick up the price. Here it's going to ask for the price. So let's say the price is 12.5. So the price is going to get parsed as float. So float is represented by single. You can see that right here. And then we're going to check if price is less than 3. It's not. So it's going to get added to the product list. And it's going to ask us whether we want to continue. We are going to go ahead and say 1 to continue to the next one. So here, let's go ahead and execute it right then. So it's going to ask for the product name XYZ. But this time, I'm going to ensure that it enters the content properly. So it's going to ask for the quantity and for the price. Let's go ahead and hit 1. So again, it's asking for the product name. Now, we can raise the exception by entering a value that's less than 3 for the price. So let's see if the exception is getting thrown. To do that, the product name, EFG price, quantity, 5, and the price, I'm going to give 2. So let's look at the code execution. The price is less than 3. So you can see that it's raising my exception, throwing the exception. And here, it's going to catch the exception. The price is not right. So it would not add the product. Let's look at the product list. So products does not have the third product that we just added. And it's going to again ask, do you want to take the next product? So you can see it skipped adding the product to the list because the price was not just right.